In this video I'm gonna explain how to use dependent fields. Let's take this example where the customer table has reference fields for country and city. The city table has a reference field for country. On the customer details screen, in the field city, I want to show only cities from the country selected in the field country. So I'll configure a filter for the drop-down list values. In the data source, I'm gonna select field city and press Edit Reference action. There is one element in the array of filters already, $curly's add symbol ref filter. This filter selects values that start with the string that user has entered to the field. I'm gonna add a second filter here. Country ID value in the city table must be equal to country value selected on the screen. As usual, that is $, curly brackets, data source code and field code. If the country on the form has changed, we have to select list values again. I'm gonna add a row to the re-execute on change list, the data source code, dot, and the field code. Let's install the screen and see how it works. Thank you for watching.